Lunch of ordinary Korean uni student. It's lunchtime. Let's see what's for lunch. So let's get some rice. Next is this kimchi. A few of it will do. Next is this tofu stew. It's so colorful and looks so yummy. Let's get another spoon of it. Next is the sesame all seaweed. It's delicious to eat without side dishes. Let's get more and cover the rice. Next, we will get some lettuce leaves. A few of it will do. Next is this jjajangmyeon flavored instant ramen. This ramen noodles is kinda sweet. The cafeteria today has a big surprise. There's a big spoonful of tuna waiting for me. Totally unexpected. Next, let's get a bowl of fish cake soup. And don't forget the fried egg. Also, let's get some stir-fried pork. Thanks for watching.